Okay, call me buy some fun.
Grand Rising, guys. Another day in the hotel. So the reason I look so crazy right now is, for one, I just woke up and I'm going down to the car. I'm actually at the car to get my toothbrush because I forgot it in here in the back window. I had it in a suitcase. The suitcase had a lot of stuff in it, and soap got everywhere. So I set them in the back window to dry while we were driving. I forgot them in here, but I got the toothbrush. I gotta get my tripod, and we're gonna get this day kicked off. So the hotel offers free breakfast, but I know we stocked our fridge, but this helps us conserve our food and stay on a budget. So here's our free breakfast, compliments of the hotel. We're gonna eat and get to work today. Update, I forgot my toothbrush down there in the lobby when I was getting breakfast, so I gotta go back and get that.
You gotta put these in the thing for the socks.
Right now we're going through our baby girl stuff. Baby girl's in mommy's belly over there.
Can I put my pants up first?
And we're getting ready to wash our baby stuff because, you know, they say you're supposed to wash your baby stuff before she gets here or before you put the stuff on your child. We got the baby detergent right here. Arm & Hammer, baby.
They're always trying to get you with
They always trying to get you a dress. What's up, Stat? Came back to get more breakfast because we didn't have enough for everybody, so I'm getting babe another waffle. I don't know where it's at. Somewhere over here. Waffle maker. Bagel and cream cheese. Then I'm gonna come back down and wash some clothes. So, and on the count of 3, we're gonna be in the laundry room. 1, 2, 3. We're in the laundry room. As you can see, me and my son. So let's get ready to wash some baby clothes and our clothes. This way. Look. In. Good job. Thank you. Here, put them in. Get that one off the floor. Good.